Gaga.
This is for me.
The Galaxy Ice Cream Vanilla.
For me. I like vanilla.
It's my share.
Jello.
Gigi. 23rd. Can I get your plate? Let me see this one.
Who's the player? Plaka. What? Plaka. What? Plaka. Ah!
Sama kayo.
What?
Patuba natin. Nakol, uy.
Plaka. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
I'm sorry.
But turning not the plate like that.
Stop Kupa.
Don't do the plate.
I say stop the Kupa. I'm stopping the Kupa.
Yala, you get. Loh, to me. Anahiwan na.
You're gonna have.
Uh-oh.
This is for you or me?
This is for me. For you that. Spoon. Kulit eh. Dili bang tanan pa ni kaunon. Tsaka ano sa man mo kaunon. Ingon ko kanang happy na ko. Nya kani katawa naman ko. Happy naman ka. Kao na. Nang balito sa Taipei ba? Nanti kaya pa yung mga domestic helper sa Taipei ba?
There is my iPad, Maria.
No iPad. 1 hour only iPad class.
But Mama said.
No, Mama said. Your Mama said 1 hour. Bas.
But now Mommy said
Matrap siya sa
30 minutes
kusina.
for the iPad.
What weather? You can make a snowman? Summer!
No.
What?
Okay, Maria. What is very cold and you can make a snowman?
Very cold that you can make a snowman?
Yeah. Wind?
Rainy!
No, wind.
Winter.
Maria, you tell me a question and now.
Like she got the iPad before me.
And then? Yan lang mga question.
But like if we're
Isip niya, abot na naman.
yeah, the met first.
23. Grabe na. Ulan kisa mo. Magulat na sa sa bahaan eh.
No, third grade. You never met my sister in third grade?
No, I think I never met her. Really, I think I never met her, but you
Yung
told me
ka,
about
magulan
her.
ka job.
When I met her, I think was in fourth.
That was once in the break. In
Yeah.
the fourth grade, yeah, in the break. That one time when she came, we were going to the break, and then Nana came in, and then you asked her, and then I said my sister.
Tara, maulan.
And of course, now she's trying to catch
Very sun.
I'm thinking of making
spring.
I'm thinking of making a story about
That's
her
where we
before
do
my
not
son, like,
spill
really
the cold to know.
So when
But then again, I have a
And then I'll tell
yeah, me too.
you again.
I have a talent in my class. So if I
What?
make the
You tell me a question and I'll answer it.
the people in my
You
class
tell me a
tell talent, 'cause I'm not even
question
friends.
and
So
you
girl in my class,
and
because
I
because
guess
we have
tell
not
me
a
what
class
question
together.
it
Read
is.
them all, please. I can't even focus on what I'm saying. Like just tell my
abot na
ears.
siya.
Maria,
Just
do a question of words.
Wala ka tubig,
I
grabe.
haven't
Baka
unboxed
na
the talent in my class yet.
So what are this
That's the
baby?
problem.
And then you
So
can
if I
ask me
make
question
a story
any
about her,
kind of
like,
question.
either I'm
This
gonna write
baby.
not the talent in our class. Because they're all gonna tell us about it. Don't worry, I'm literally editing right now.
Happy. Yan ako. Ask me.
Yeah, she's gonna literally call all of us and
So we're meeting each other, her telling us where she will start looking for where our gyms are, and then she becomes so nuts.
Maria, tell me a
that's the
question.
creepy. She's like a stalker.
How old are you?
Yeah.
She's like a stalker.
How old are you?
We did not just call our ex-best friend our ex-friend. She's not even a best friend. An ex, our ex-friend.
Tell me a next one.
Where do you live?
I live in Riyadh.
Oh, in
And then
Riyadh.
tell me
You live in
a weather.
Canada?
Like, okay, listen.
A weather question.
What weather you like?
She told me that she's only
I
friends
like-
because she feels bad. But like,
Summer.
you don't have to. Like, I'm not calling Mayar a liar, but she did not have to tell us that she's nice.
Give me
Because
example
where was
of
the nice? What's nice?
summer.
Yeah, no.
Then tell the seasons. Tell
I think
which
it was
season.
more rude than nice. Because she literally called my sister. She was like, is you think I do you like when you expect girl? Did I even say anything like that? No.
Saba ka siya.
Kind of
You're good.
Remember when we were pulling the prank on them by shutting up and not
I'll
even
tell
talking
you
to
a
them?
question.
Okay.
And then when
How
we
many
left
times
the call,
you
I let the girl my mom was
stand?
calling me. But I didn't
How
tell
many
you. I
times?
just left because
Tell
and my
me.
mom was calling me. So
How
I
many
left.
times
and I was
what?
like, okay,
How many times you have?
And then she was like, why'd you guys leave as soon as I joined? That's really rude. Bro,
Many
am I
times.
supposed to stay in the call like 20 hours and then I leave?
What's the
Like,
number?
Exactly. No one eats how to wait for her time.
How many?
No one eats.
How many day you?
How many days in a week? 7.
We thought
Good
that
job.
we're gonna make
And how many?
Literally, I
How
literally
many
made this edit.
weathers?
4.
I literally made an edit about it.
What
I was like,
weather is
oh my
very
gosh.
very stormy?
And then now,
Everywhere is storm.
Yeah, and this electricity.
the fact that everything
Rainy.
is real bad.
No, it's
Wow.
stormy. It's electricity.
It's stormy. It's electricity.
Yeah, if you hold it, you see your skull. It will fall. That's the very good, the funniest part. They can
Hindi ka buhay niya.
I'm missing something?
Hindi ka buhay. Ang kamot to.
yeah.
Okay, but why we're black?
Because we don't
I think
have
it's just ginger
lights.
or
So it's opening.
Don't open it. Salman again.
Okay, but let's rock and roll. Okay,
No more.
What's that?
let's rock and roll.
Yeah, of course it's bad.
I love da. Oh, okay, so many times. Mario, be in the video with me. So talk about something.
I will.
Talk about something. Talk about something. See,
We're not there.
see in the screen here.
Then what you want me to talk? About something.
Talk about something normal.
Something normal. You want to eat banana?
No, give your question for your subscribers. Tell.
I don't.
Tell how many.
You
Tell how many you.
Listen. You question my subscriber. You question them. How much do you like me?
They said 2. And tell them how much they like me.
How much do you like me?
They say how much they like me.
Yeah. How much do you like
Mary,
me?
ask them how much they like her.
Say how much you love me. Like,
100.
oh, they said 100, yeah. I'm my man.
Ako guy.
Aga. Okay, Mary, I'll tell you a video.
Okay,
Take a photo.
struggling trying to find what you're like singing, and I'm here just like,
No,
oh my
put
God,
your
this drawing is
tongue
so
out,
cute.
both of us.
Don't be seen.
Oh God.
It's okay.
Or monster.
In my activity lab or something?
23 days nakaka-bad trip. Hindi ko lang alam bukas ba. Kailangan na ko ng mga gamit ko. Tapos kahit walang nagpasok siya, abot pa rin kami ng alas 3. Bullshit. Buti ka mo hindi ay bagin ng mata ko. Kung ay bagin pa to, wala na. Kakatawa na to. I like where I tell you that what is the coach said, what they said there, you cannot go into gymnastic if you will not pass the CrossFit. How? You will not pass the CrossFit. My God. Then you cry. Kalas, enough.
I made that because I cannot pass. I have to try again.
You have to try again. Kalas na, kalas.
I need to try again.
You stop.
I need to try again.
Okay, kalas. Enough. Don't be scared. When you become big, you'll become CrossFit.
Can I do this? I just like my feet wanted me to go, but no.
I will help you. I will go.
Becoming a robot.
I will be in the
Like,
CrossFit.
I don't want to be in CrossFit because I will become a robot.
Gak. Okay, boat trip.
I can't understand when your sister's crying a lot.
Exactly. She's crying because she wants to become a ballerina.
How can?
I can't look at the crazy.
But why does she have to cry?
Look
No,
what's
because she doesn't know how to become a CrossFit thingy. You expect her to become a ballerina?
Oh.
She's not even listening to the coach. The coach screamed at her like 20 million times.
Ring.
Which one? I just seeing the same.
It's okay. Madre, just don't think of it, so you will not cry.
So I party like a rock star, look like a every day I go.
I tell you, no. Because it's different.
Party like rockstar. Like you can stop clapping, Remo.
Mana sa langoy na sad.
It's annoying. Rim, now how can you bop No, she's gonna start crying again. Oh no. Please stop clapping your hands, Remo. It's actually very annoying.
Oh.
Have you heard of the word annoying ever? Because you are annoying. I don't care anymore. Guys, I'm Remo. I don't get it.
Yeah, boy. Wait.
Jump with more bounce. Here. Oh, I'm very close. Now.
When? Ay, hasta ka eh. Punta naman kami sa kaklase niya.
My little one needs a poster because she's not good.
Hey, sit down.
She needs a poster seat because she will
We will
fall.
not go. Tigil ka sa man.
She will fall.
Sit down, Remo.
I'm sitting.
Why? You're there, B.
My little one needs to sit because she needs a poster seat because she's almost
And then belt yourself.
KG3, okay?
You? KG3, okay.
She's almost grail, but she almost
Quickly.
big. So Maria, okay? Listen, she needs to booster seat. Maria, put the seatbelt on me, please. Okay. I'm gonna put her put her seatbelt also because she's gonna come with us, okay? Put her seatbelt. It's very important.
Important.
Important. Maria, put her seatbelt on so she cannot fall off, okay?
Pati na, oh. Seat belt na, oh.
Put her belt on, okay?
Asa na siya?
Put her belt on, okay? Put her belt. Now, put her belt on.
Hold.
She needs to... Oh, I have to put her in the belt because she's my little baby, okay? So that means you have to take care of her with me because you're the one living.
What?
You need to get the seatbelt. Get the...
Where's the seat belt?
Ah! Look, it's in the chair.
Come on.
Look, there's Amy. There we go. Maria, now belt her up.
Hi.
Okay? Belt her. She's Rainbow. Rainbow is trying.
Hold it.
Did you?
Yeah, hold it.
That wants it to go. Okay.
Put it first. Belt that in the hole.
Okay. The hole in here.
Hey! Ano maluminta malumwen? Let's guli.
Alam malapis sis, alam malapis.
So,
Oh, dre. Sorry, Agia. La, hinabi.
oh.
Jowa. Ayun.
Good. Okay. See. Okay. That's gonna be so fun. Okay. It's up because.
Hindi pa booster seat ang
Okay. Put
animal.
your feet down there. No one. Gonna be doing it. Yay! This is my little baby darling. Show the little baby darling.
Punta sa loob.
Madre.
Yes, dear. Please.
Salman anang mapigol kam sa ahinat metal radya.
Mary,
Anang mapigol. Basro. Hada kalas. Ha? Aywa. Maria rohin ayo tayeb. Digiga hamam. Ay kalas bas.
it's so fun.
Mapi kita ger Salman. Siya gaya tayeb. Ngit kay misa sulod gay. Wala mi suga niya kay yan. Pero masiga na makita na.
Okay, this is my little baby. Don't choke her, okay? Don't allow it to do
Madre, uy.
have her so
Hila to si Linta.
to her
Salman. Jibrimo. Look ka.
Hindi makita sa tala barba. Bangkit.
Alas.
Wata sal.
Ipta. Nasa di. Sabi yung babe. Kaya. May panigagibelt. Gibuster siya. Hala. We're here. Na wala na gid mi aniga. Niabot sa mis balay ni Michelle. Lahat na sila balay ang po yan. Ay naniya. Para mabuang sa sunod. Unsa nang lugar? Don't eat that, you will eat ice cream. Ibilin ako na kay ako nang kaunon para wala na kayugasan. Joking kay ni siya. Diba, kung di ko anong animal, kaya hindi ko kakawat o kape. Kaya di ko kabalog abri silang termos. Yan. Aprihon sa tilinod. Sit down.
This later.
Wala na, nasa later.
No later, ma'am. If mama says okay, just wait for mama.
Who get the golden ball? The wind! You will sit beside me, okay?
Hey, where is your place? Where is your place, Remo? Do there. That is my place and Michelle's place.
Maria.
Aywa, good job.
Maria.
Yes.
Who will get the golden bottle?
Who get the golden bottle?
Me.
Where's the golden bottle? Ah,
I
lagi hirit pagid si Lolo sa chicken nuggets ba?
get the player cookies. Who get the cookies of the whole bunny?
Nanawag din siya. Pagod lang.
And you're looking when we're gonna make it.
Hmm.
Oh my God.
Itawag na siya. Pagkauna po din na, Michelle. Uy, ginawa ko mo si... Ha, katunga na ka sa kong lawas ba? Paningkamot in taon. Busog siya. Busog siya binakyong. Ilang balay kay tsada kayo bitaw. Pero pag magulan, magbaha. Baha kayo sila. Inan ka, manervyos ko ginani. Kanang nalabit ako kay Pubya. Pag magulan na, magkonsimisyon ako. Kapoy ay. Ako exit 7 lagi nga balay. Ay, man kag. Wa, dili matabang. Diyon sa katunila ba?
So, both of us are twins because we
Dili
love
ka balo.
ice cream.
Ang mga kalsada.
Did you like cotton candy?
Nag-Granada Mall mi? Nagulat mi moabot mi atong kanang murag ham. Para may makagawas kay tubig. Lagan ba gid kini magulang. Karon unta siya unta akong kayo, bilak siya.
I love
Ako lagi si Maria. Dobi kay nakauna man ni booking.
and also cotton candy.
Booking man sila. Nakauna mag-booking ng mama ni Lolo. Di sa kitasan.
I like the
Dami. Ugma na po siya.
the strawberry, the
Kaya na.
chocolate.
Kaya wala na may karon last day naman niya sa trabaho.
Oreo and the coffee.
Ugma lagi, ingon lagi siya.
I love Oreo.
Inawag ang mga bag Maria kay ugma.
Okay.
Magimpake na.
Eat some Oreo ice cream with this.
Karon ako na ginawag ang bag kay nga man siya gamita tong tulod-tulod. Wala ba ko tulod-tulod. Di ko ganan magtulod-tulod kay mas bugat pa ba ang tulod-tulod kaysa sulod.
Ang gatag na sa mga buo tigaan naman.
Lahat na ng mga tulod-tulod sa mga ligid. Sa ligid pa lang bugat na no.
I cannot see you. I cannot see you. Okay.
Katong murag mo to ana. Tsada.
And then I can just see my face.
Ang kato kay kana ra bitong duhara unsa na siya? Hala bugat. Diningon ko kana lugar akong ibag. Tsada ko. Ang ako kato ring sling bag akong gipangayo sa yain ko kanira akong sling bag bitaw kay kung brown bag murag sa sports bitaw. 1 week ni. Ingon man siya nga ayaw. Kay katong yagi nga pagbakasyon namo, nagilaka man sa airport. Kay ang katong nga bag gilain bitaw gilain kay gamay. Dili man siya tulod-tulod mo siya ligid. Ingon man ang kaning mga gagmay ilain din ko patsada kay lang airport diri ba kay. Katong mga gagmay ibutang pagid sa tray. Ibutang sa tray unya. Amo to akong ko kita gud gidi man ko sige bihay-bihay mas diri man gud masigig bihay-bihay mi. Muna po day. Dili katong i-check up ka dili. Katong imo pa bitong mga i-check in pa nimo. Bastahan kiri mura siyang matawagan kiri kay round bag raman sling bag round bag. Nya gi-separate man. Nabalaka man siya, nagilaka man sa airport kaya ang bag ni Maria kay wala man naka-appeal dito sa katuwitong ipasulod na. Wala man nabat sa ilang mga bag. Kaya ko na ilang mga bag malita para ila. Yang ako kay sa gabalan man ko ato. Kaya sa pawasag yung ko'y malita. Di ko ganan og malita. Nakoy malita sa balay. Pero di ko ganan magmalita magbiyahe. Samukan ko. Mutong, ang bag ni Maria, nagilaka man siya. Yati na. Ilain day ang mga gagmay. Kasabot na ko. Katon, kung kato naman ang bag nga akong gamitin itong nagbiyahe ta. So ayaw to gamita Maria. Kailangan ka nang mauban ka sa mua. Kaya yung una-una kasi muhilak na sa di siya. Sige talaga siya. Ubanon na to si Maria sa atong yung adventure. Ang young term sa kanang mag-travel, adventure. Ubanon na to si Maria sa adventure ha. Ubanon na to. Sige, gijag ingon. Ubanon na to. Dili ba ako?
All the days and the nights we will be together.
Ano to? Yan na. Kuto kami sa dumanan na ni. Kaya pag ako kabalo ani mo balik pa ba ni siya? Balik pa ka dali. Ay. Ang uwa magkontrol na sa pag-uwa. Exam. Pag mo apply utro. Exam na pulo to.
You come to my house, okay? Okay.
Bye-bye. Yala.
In the morning you come. Okay?
Now I know, madam, your name is Rim. Yeah. Madam, send the number. Rim, Mother Lulu. You're the same name with Dream.
Where is the bracelet?
Who? Maybe in the bag, Boo.
Where's the bracelet?
Maybe in the bag. It's okay, Kali. We will come back. Agay, makit.
Oh, yes, it's in the bag. I must see.
Agay, ang mga bilis ko.
Listen to Daddy, how's the
Next time, bring it.
Yes, we will bring that again, okay? Because now your tummy is pain.
But you cannot sleep.
Okay? When we come back, we will bring it. Anywhere. We go in the park, I will bring. For you. Okay? Chili. Ang biscuit. Bye-bye, good night.
Wait, okay?
Wait, okay.
Ang biscuit, huwag ako gibalik man. Agay. Nagkitapan ka man.
Bye.
Bye.
In my home.
Yeah. Ay! Yarabi. Agoy! Yan. Mwah!
Guys, I wish you want me to come tomorrow.
Yala ka. X.
I wish.
The other feet. Yala.
Okay, today's
Put it.
table. Bye.
Bye.
Bye, Rabbit.
Yeah, bye, Rabbit. Don't worry, we will come back. Don't worry.
The rabbit is saying, okay, bye, bye, bye. Thanks, Rabbit. Oh, my blushy, that's my baby. That's my bag. That's my present. That's your face.
Yeah.
But that's my baby, okay?
Okay.
Bye. Make sure anything don't come.
Yala.
I have to go.
Madam Shukran, bye-bye. Careful, careful. Hold me, B. Hold me. Hold me. You remember when we go to the gym island? Bye-bye.
I'm going to sleep outside. It's a big dinosaur thing.
I tell you, hold. Agoy. Dinosaur love water. And then, wait. Wait, I will close the door so the dinosaur will not get inside.
Oh,
Wow.
the dinosaur is going to come.
Yeah.
In that car, oh no. It's
Go.
in that car. Oh no, it's in that car. Oh no, four.
Uli ng mga lagan. 12-16. Parang buwan.
Maria,
Yeah.
there's a group of fire trucks.
It's fire truck there. Fire station.
Fire station, the ones like, and the cars are grow.
The cars are grow. You'll finish your water. Don't forget your bag. Put your baby in the bag. Ano, kung update sa
All the days and the nights.
tanan. Miski happy kay ko kaganina. Karon. Nagulat siya ko eh. Napit papadlong sa Pilipinas. Nya karon. Kung papadlong pag yun ang oras lugar. Time is time. Magulat siya. Kaya dili lang umunyan ko magsayo-sayo may kato dito sa langoy. Hugasan is mga lalangoy akong mga hugason diri og akong hipuson. May man siya kay igura sa mo. Tabi kong kusina, himal. Magulat ng driver diha, di na magnangak. Kaya na ako yung mga buhaton. Oras na ako, oras. So pag ako na nasudlayan akong alaga, kaya ang oras na yung pakayo. Napay 15 minutos nga nagnanga. Yan, pagawas na minima. Na. Pag sure. Dili ko ata. Yan na ako yung panahon. Himal. Pag-doorbell naman to kaganina, bugot. Yung sa niya pagsabot ang oras diya. Nga among schedule basta inani kay kuan man. Alas 10:45. Yan lugar mo gawas na alas 9:45. Hoy, isa ka oras mi dito. Kahayahay ko kay niya. Paglingkuran ako dito wala ko buhaton. Humanon ako akong trabaho diri ay ako mauto dito kay kabalo kon sa akong oras. Boy shit. Hala nasuko jud ko rong gabi una. May makanis apa ka kuan maulian. Kalagot. Nasugdan akong suko.
Maria, I wanted it.
Be, don't eat now.
I wanted it.
Kalas na, be. Kalas na. Comb your hair. No hungry, you will swim? You will swim with a big tummy? What are you, a puffer fish? No? Okay, kalas. Don't eat. Kalagot silang tanan. Sumpay sa mga akuan. Uy, ginungo ko. Sayo kayo eh. Sayo lagi kayo. Maglingkura dito no. Kung dayon na nato. Magsaba lang siya gamito nila yung sakyanan. Kaya wala din niya gigamit yung sakyanan. Ana, ragi ay. Magsaba lang siya no. Wala lagi time management. Lagi mo nang wala lagi lamig. Ay, ginoo ko. Sakit akong kilid. Yala, look at me. Sa imo di ay no. Look at me. Yala, here, in the other candy. Rimo. Hey. Hindi siya kabalog katawa. Hindi na. Yung pagaw ng himo. Show the candy.
This is candy.
Ayaw ko lang.
I was eating it.
Wala candy no.
Like that.
Ayaw ko si Bibel ko, tukulot.
Colot.
Yeah, we have to go to kulot. Kasi I'm get my headset kulot.
All the days and the nights.
First day nga sick, may lami. I don't have taste. I don't have smell. What else I don't have? Nanday yung kaungay mo. Grabe kayo mga nanday. Inanday yung inino.